Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kiang Nangbah Government College kubere jaka puli bapau khman harilum jaintia haka at potrik nailur arajar alpusan klaraki kelingko kepasan bukendai snam haka ba ajing syakri ki samla puli haka liang gajing najing stan haka ni gesngi laidan langru usembut mindirang ba ga jelau ba snya phalang dhar ubelalong kumukang san haka ba wala permana Ladep ban Pynkhreh ya ga detail project report ka ba alpusan Klur tingka nagbenta bante thamai bat peniternan ik college Klur pansai san potli laptop shikini kai how banai risaw arajar alpusan Nakaliang jong principal ke college ke Dr. LM Darne ke Pyntip bagi dan lai hajar chispa alpun rungut kisam lagi puli hagan ke college hagi kasantli ke department Shua ban penkut ke jingalang la penkup buramru kisam la puli ke beyo ke kerdan basyakmat hagi examen kut snam bla penlong ke skol ba nehu kumju ke nautre ki bla syakri palat alpusan snam ba kisam la puli berim ki bla yo ke kerdan PhD
Sometimes I feel very bad. I always apologize. The principal from the previous principal used to come to me every now and then, keep asking scheme this and that. So I'd just like to inform you. Actually, the memorandum which Madam submitted just now. Now the DPR is under process for renovation of all these colleges. More likely, I thought of sanctioning within this financial year between 20 to 25 crore in this college, and this whole is included in that renovations. And the remaining portion, maybe there is some urgent issues or crisis which we have been facing for the last so many years. I already discussed with Mawailat, who is your local MLA. Maybe in the upcoming national games, we are going to do so many good things in this college. And one important announcement I would like to inform you, which your principal keep whispering me every day about the laptop. I don't know laptop for whom, for the student or for the teachers. I think for the teachers always. So I will give you 50 number of laptops. But not now. Maybe principal will be still there or the new principal will be coming. So I will give it in the last week of October. 50 number of laptop. Maybe I can give as per your demand. So maybe you can share it please. So slowly I think you will be getting the rest. Skill development program, which is directly related with you student, which is very directly related with you, and maybe a new course has been introduced here, which we are calling the VTC. So I think when this VTC is fully functional, so government is going to spend double money on that. So now government is spending so much money on training skill program. We want to promote our youths, especially with job crisis. We are sorry to say this. That is one of the reasons sometimes our students have a negative impact in their minds. Sometimes after they pass 12, they are unwilling to continue. They say, no jobs. I am telling you, when you attain your degree in your hands, the privilege for you to apply any jobs. Am I right? Don't base only from government job, please. You see, you have to try in your life. Please remember, when you try something, when you fail, somebody who doesn't even try. When you face any challenge, thanks it, that is your opportunity. I'm telling you. My father used to tell me when I'm still a school student, he told me, "Sir, how you have to remember? You have to remember very carefully. Do you know what is the heaviest things in your body?" I told him, I don't know. The heaviest thing in your body, in my body, is when your pocket is empty. Please remember. How much suit you wear, how much gold you carry. If your pocket is empty, you are restless. So when you have a course, when you have a student, you may be 12 pass, degree pass, master degree, don't lose hope at all. We politicians always give hope to you. I'm a 12 pass. If I am in this position, why you are worried on that? Everybody has got his own time, his own place. Don't compare yourself. If you compare yourself with others, you are the first failure, I'm telling you. Please remember. You see, when you do something new, maybe in your studies, maybe in your business, maybe in different type of careers, when you do something wrong or right, the mistake you make gives you an experience. And the experience you get decrease your mistake. This is life cycle. Even a right decision may be wrong if you take a decision too late. That is mainly particularly with the student. And I have heard every now and then, every corner of the society, they used to say, no job, no job. Yes, job is not a ready-made. I always used to encourage my friends, my classmates, my colleagues, try to be the employers, not employee. You see, when you own things, you are the boss of your own kingdom. You are not the employers under such company something.